stop it. This is mine. This is mine. This goes in my mouth. My mouth. You didn't even butter it. This is mine. I buttered it. Buttery toast. Who gives you the right to come into my house, watch me eat my toast? Who the fuck are you? I can't do this. There is way too much pressure. There is way too much pressure. Okay, no, it's mine. Mine. Let's stop it now. Eat it. Go on, I dare you. I dare you to take it. I dare you to take it. I dare you to take it. I dare you. I dare you. Go on, take it. Go on, see what happens. Go on, take it. Go on. You little bastard, cunt, fuck, milkshake, banana twat. You just wait there, mate. You wait there. Hello, Gary. Hello, Gary. You alright, mate? Yeah, not too bad. Just the fucking dog's just been eating my toast. How do you fancy a fucking barbecue today?
You've just watched Rick C. Subscribe. Why not? It's free.
Go and get it. Run. Come on. On there. On you go.